Hello, friends. Running Kimono here. So we have dollar paper towel, these 2 packs of Scots, which is a fire deal. If you can run on this deal ASAP, I would totally make it happen. It's 50 cents a roll, and with the great paper shortage of October 1st and 2nd, definitely a item to stock up on if you can make it happen. The store is either Office Depot or Office Max. It's basically like an office supply store. It's kind of harder to find because they have been closing these down like a lot. So if you can track this down, by all means, make it happen. And this is the store that you're going to be going to. Do a quick little Google search, maybe look up the item online. Is this worth it? And you are either going to find it merchandise in the paper aisle, and if it's not tagged, I mean, that's fantastic. I've seen on social media that a lot of stores are filling up carts, leaving them at the front of the store with a little thing that says a dollar each to move it very quickly. And of course, this is going to get moved very quickly. And then if you can find it not tagged in the back of the store where they have the paper stuff, I mean, that is where you're going to find it. And I don't know if I'm sure Office Max must have an app or something like that, but I could not make heads or tails of it. It was just such a disaster. And their website too, they had the double pack, not this one. So this is the exact one that's ringing up for a dollar. It's the 2 = 4, and this is the UPC. I know that in the old-fashioned days we could go on the site BrickSeek and type it in, but I know that's since changed. So, I mean, maybe the easiest way is to either look this up online. Is there any in stock at your location? Or alternatively, just stealthily get into the store right away and see if they have it, and you might really score big. I think paying 50 cents for these rolls is not a bad little deal, especially if you have like cats or dogs. We tend to just eat through paper towel. We have a lot of cats, and every day there's a mess to clean. So if you're a pet owner, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But these are just great little items to have in your stockpile. And because it's a little 2 pack, I mean, you could throw that into a Christmas bundle for anybody and you're really not feeling it. Feel free also to use IBOTTA Office Depot gift cards. If you have a couple of bucks in your IBOTTA account, you can get a gift card and then pay for it. And then just to show you, they had it all merchandise at the front. And I didn't buy the whole cart, not today, but just to show you like how thick are these rolls, that's how thick they are. So they're pretty sizable. And I noticed online it's this double one that I was finding in my area, but that's clearly not a double roll, so I don't know. But at $4.99, which is the running price for this, it's 80% off at a dollar. So I would totally try and make it happen, guys. Have your prices right moment. And I did ask the manager when I was in the store yesterday, I'm like, is there any more paper products on clearance? And he's like, no. So I think they were just excited to get these out the door. And I think a couple employees had grabbed a bunch too. So it's an item they're just trying to liquidate. When this really starts to catch momentum on social media, it's going to get really cleared quickly. So if you can get out right away, guys, and make it happen, I totally would. I know a lot of you see value in paper products. It's an item that doesn't expire. I would go and make it happen at Office Depot or Office Max. Okay, friends, and I was just curious because I mean, I haven't seen this pack very much. Not that I'm really ever looking for a 2 pack of paper towels. A lot of us are pharmacy shoppers and we like to buy the 4 or the 6 packs of the larger paper products for paper towel. But with this at the Dollar General, it's $3.50. So at $4.99, looking at the math, that's 80% off. So I think it's definitely a stock up price. And if you could swing a little Ibotta gift card or something like that, make it happen over at the Office Max or Office Depot. But at Dollar General right now, the exact same pack is $3.50. So you can see the significant savings right there just looking at the brass tacks of the math. Now, also, one thing to consider is that sometimes clearances of your mileage may vary. I know that it's happening here in the Midwest, where it's marked down for a dollar. But say you're in a different part of the U.S., California, for example, and say it's still $4.99. I would nicely ask the manager, like, hey, when do you guys usually have markdowns? And you might get a window of when you need to just show up and ask for a price check. And ask for a price check, ask for a price check, ask for a price check if it's not marked down, or if you can't make heads or tails of looking up a price either through the app or the website of Office Max or Office Depot. Good luck, guys. I would definitely move on this really, really quickly. A lot of people are having a ton of success. And how exciting is this? Like $1 for a 2-pack. I'm pretty excited. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.